In this lesson, we give you a Web 2.0 introduction, a quick overview of what Web 2.0 is and what it means for you as an affiliate. So what is Web 2.0? The term Web 2.0 was coined a few years ago to describe the new interactive internet. Evolving web technologies allow people to get more involved with websites. Gone are the days when all you could do on the internet was read content. Now you can watch videos, play games, join communities, take polls, vote on content, post comments, and much, much more. From an internet marketing perspective, these innovations have been a very good thing. There are a huge number of Web 2.0 sites out there, all begging people to get involved. For affiliate marketers, that means that getting backlinks to your website is no longer a problem. In the past, you had to worry about contacting other website owners, sending out hundreds of emails, arranging reciprocal links. These days, you barely have to worry about that at all. Now, there are hundreds of resources out there that will put your link onto authority sites that the search engines just love. What's even better, the search engines are extremely quick to jump on new content as you add it to your site, so you get traffic from both people and the search engines very rapidly. Just to demonstrate how big Web 2.0 sites are. For a very long time, the top 3 most visited sites in the world were Google, Yahoo and Bing, the 3 major search engines. But if you take a look at the Alexa rankings today, the top 3 sites are Google, YouTube and Facebook. These are all Web 2.0 sites, all receiving huge traffic. The big difference this makes to us is that instead of fighting your way tooth and claw to get into Google, all you have to do is submit your content. If it's formatted correctly and tightly focused around a keyword, then you'll start getting traffic immediately. If you're still focused on the search engines, good news, they absolutely love these sites. In a nutshell, Web 2.0 sites have revolutionized the way affiliate marketers receive traffic and rank in the search engines, making both processes much easier and much faster. And time for today's lesson summary. In this lesson, we gave you a quick overview of Web 2.0, what it is and what it means for you as an affiliate. Anyway, that's all we've got time for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.